Hello students, welcome back to the second video of the history chapter in the earliest cities. Students, today we are going to study about life in the city. As the Harappan city was a very busy place, there were people who planned the construction of special buildings in the city. These were probably the rulers. It is likely that the rulers sent the people to distinct lands to get the metal, precious stones, and other things that they wanted. They may have kept most valuable objects such as ornaments of gold and silver or beautiful beads for themselves. So, students, at that time also, during the Harappan civilization also, the men or women, they also used to do some work. They also used to do the occupation. They also has find out the precious stones and metals, and most probably the women were very much fond of the ornaments. So at that time, women and maybe men also wearing the ornaments which was made up of precious stones, and some of them may be made up of gold and silver also, and of beautiful beads. And at that time also, students, there were the scribes. Scribes means a people who know how to write, and that people, they help to prepare the seals and perhaps wrote on other materials that now it has not been survived. So at that time, the scribes, they used to write the things, and that was helping the people to know about that time. And maybe this type of materials still it is not preserved. Now besides, there were men and women, the craft persons. They used to make all the kinds of things either in their own homes or in special workshop. So at that time also, men and women also used to do the work, and people were traveling to distant lands or returning with the raw materials. So they used to also do the traveling at the different places. They used to also search the new things at that time, and they also used to bring the raw materials to their places. And perhaps the stories were formed like that. Many people, they used to travel from one place to another place and brought some new invention, new things, and new raw materials. And at that time also, students, children, they used to play with the toys, but not like the toys which you used. They used to play with the toys which are the terracotta toys. Terracotta toys that formed with the mud or clay, and children used to play with this type of terracotta toys. Now students, the next thing we are going to study, that is about this terracotta toys, that this type of terracotta toys, they are still, some of their species were preserved at some of the museums. And this picture which you are seeing on your screen, it is the found in the museum, in the exhibition of Indian Museum. Next thing which we are going to study about the new crafts in the city. Now you can see that at that time also, the people, they were doing the work, occupation, craft peoples were there. They also used to create the new types of things. And here you can see that the pots are, you can see the different types of pots. Okay, so that time they used to make the different types of pots which are having some carvings on them. The paintings were done, carvings were done with the black ink. Okay, and most of the things that have been found by the archaeologists as this type of stone, shields, and metals they had found at that time. And copper and bronze were used to make the tools and weapons, ornaments, and vessels. And gold and silver were used to make the ornaments and vessels also. Then perhaps most striking thing that here we can see that the beads were there, weights were there, and blades were there. That Harappan people, they also made the seals which was out of the stone. Means they also made the different types of things from the stone also. And this type of important seals were made, and generally these seals are rectangular in the shape, and these seals are having the pictures of animals. The carvings of the animals are done on this type of seals in the rectangular shape. And the Harappans also made the post with the beautiful black designs, as earlier had told you about this, that you can see here that beautiful designs were done on the pots, and this type of designs were specially done with the black designs. Okay, now students, the next thing that at that time also they used to find the cotton, and probably they had found the cotton from the Mehergar from about 7,000 years ago, and they had found the cloth were found, and the archaeologists which they had found the things from the Harappan civilization, places of their, the remains of there. So they had found that cloth were found attached to the lid of the silver vase or some copper objects at the Mohenjo-daro. And also they had found this type of spindle whorls. This is called the spindle whorl, and it is used, this type of spindle whorl is used to spin the thread from the cotton and used to make the cotton thread, and then from that they used to make the cloth. Then the next thing is that students, that this type of fans pot were also famous at that time. Now what is the fans? Fans is just unlike the stone or the shield that are found naturally, and fans is a material that is artificially produced, and gum was used to shape sand and powder in that objects, and the objects were then glazed, resulting in shiny glassy surface, and the colors of the glaze were usually blue or the sea green. Faience was used to make beads, bangles, earrings, and tiny vessels, and different types of artificial materials were made from it. And at that time, students, the people, they were having so different types of art with them. Many of the things they were produced were probably the work of the special people, specialist. Specialist means a special person who was trained to do only one kind of work. For example, the cutting of stone or polishing beads or carving seals. And you can see here that the special person, they were trained to do the cutting of the stones. You know that this type of stone cutting, diamond cuttings are very famous in our Gujarat, also in Surat. Okay. Now the next thing is that at that time, students, the people were not very well known about the new equipments, but whatever they were having, with that they become very much expert. And expert craft persons, they had specialized in many of the things. Not everybody could have been the specialist. We do not know whether only men were special or women were the special, but perhaps some of the women and men, they all have been specialties with them, and they had done so many different types of occupations during that time. Now they had also kept the cattle with them, and that cattle also useful for the farming purpose. Now next thing, that in search of the raw material also, they had gone from one place to another place. Earlier we had studied. Now the raw materials are the substance that are either found naturally. You know that, for example, cotton. Cotton is a raw material. When cotton is produced by the farmer, it is a raw material. Then it was processed during that time in the spindle wheels to make the thread, and from the thread the cloth was made. While some of the raw materials that Harappans used were available locally, and many times they had used the copper, tin, gold, silver, and precious stones that had to be brought from distant places. Means from very far away places they had brought this type of precious things: copper, tin, gold, silver, and precious stones. Then after, they had also brought these things from the different places. Like for example, copper. The Harappans got some copper from the present day of Rajasthan. Means now, which is the Rajasthan. From that, suppose that time it was Kalibangan area comes into Harappan. So from there they had brought the copper, and some more from the Oman in the West Asia. Then tin was brought from present day Afghanistan and Iran. It was used to make the copper and to produce bronze. May have been bronze was also maybe had been used at that time. And then after the gold was a precious, very expensive thing, you know that time also gold could have come all the way from the present day Karnataka, means from the India, and precious stones from the present day Gujarat and Afghanistan were also got. So this Harappan civilization people, they had traveled to the different places. They found different raw materials, and they had brought it to their places. They had made so many different types of beautiful ornaments, precious things from it. So that time also they were using the gold, iron, copper, tin, precious stones, many things they were also using. Now students, we will study about the food for people in the cities. Now at that time also they used to do the farming, they used to grow the crops, and they used to keep the cattle with them. While many people lived in the cities, other living in the countrysides, they had grew the crops and reared the animals. And these farmers and herders supplied food to the craft persons, then scribes and rulers in the cities. Students, might be you are knowing about the barter system. At that time, barter system was there. Barter system means exchanging of the thing. Suppose a farmer has grown the crop, and if he want the cloth, so he will give the crop to that person, who is selling the cloth, and he will take the grains from him, crops from him. Okay, so that was the barter system. Might be they were using the barter system also at that time. Then these farmers, they used to give these things to the craft people, then the scribes, the rulers also in the cities. And we know that from the remains of the plants that Harappans grew, from that wheat, barley, pulses, peas, rice, sesame, linseed, and mustard were got. So they also had grown that time so many different types of crops, pulses, so many things they had grown. And which type of instruments or the tools they were using for that farming purpose? They were using the tractors? No, they were not having the machineries at that time. But at that time they used to plow the field with this type of plow. Means this type of plows, actually this is the remains, or this type of toys were found by the archaeologist. A tool, this is called the plow, was used to dig the earth for turning the soil and planting seeds. While real plows, which were probably made of wood, have not survived. And this type of toy models have been found by the archaeologist, As this region does not receive heavy rainfall, some forms of irrigation may have been used. So different irrigation method maybe they had used at that time. This means that water was stored and supplied to the fields when the plants were growing. Then these Harappans they had reared the cattle, sheep, goat and buffalo. Water and pastures were available around their settlements. However, in the dry summer months, large herds of animals were probably taken to the greater distance in search of grass and water. And they had also collected the fruits like bear, and maybe they had caught the fish, hunted wild animals like the antelope, and they used to cook them and they used to fulfill their needs. I hope you had understood about the food for the people in the Harappan cities. Thank you for this much. Remaining part we will continue in our next video. I hope you will enjoy your virtual learning. Thank you.